Hello, students. I welcome you back to this online lecture series. And today we will continue the chapter The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck that we have been doing. We had stopped in our last lecture on page number 41. Till now, in the story, we have seen how the couple, that is Dr. Sadao Hoki, who is also our protagonist, and his wife Hana, they saved the life of a young white man who was in reality an American prisoner of the Second World War, and he had been jailed or imprisoned in Japan, and somehow this American prisoner had escaped from that imprisonment, and he had been severely wounded, and he was washed ashore in front of their house, in front of the house of Dr. Hoki, and they had found him in a very bad condition, in a very wounded state, in which if they had not saved his life, he would have died. So in that situation, the couple brought him home and they treated him, and now he was out of danger and he was recovering. In the last video, the story had been paused where we had talked about the plan of Dr. Hoki as to what he would do in order to get rid of this man now, because there was a great amount of trouble in keeping this American prisoner at their own house. Okay, and he had gone to meet the old general who had suffered a heart attack, and he had gone to treat him basically. And so in the conversation he had told that general about this prisoner, and so the old general, after a great deal of thinking and deciding, he had decided that this young American prisoner could be killed by the assassins, and in that manner everything would be cleared off and no one would even know about it. So ये जो प्लान था, ओल्ड जनरल ने जो आइडिया दिया, उस आइडिया से सदाओ ने क्या किया, उसको एक्सेप्ट किया उस आइडिया को, दैट यस दिस वुड बी फाइन, हम ऐसा ही करते हैं, असासिन्स आएंगे मेरे घर में रात में, आई विल लीव द डोर ओपन in which the room in which that young man generally sleeps, and he will keep that room the door open, so that at night the assassins will come and they will kill this man, and they will even do away with the body. Okay, because they are trained in all these things, उनको ये सब बहुत अच्छे से आता है, how to kill someone and how to dispose of the body. So all this will be done in a day or two, like at night, and so the problem will be completely done away with. So ये जो प्लान था, अब ये प्लान डिसाइड हो गया है, एंड नाउ सदाओ होकी हैज़ कम बैक होम, और अब वो सोच रहे हैं कि वो बिल्कुल प्रैक्टिकली हर चीज़ को देखेंगे, वो इमोशनली नहीं देखेंगे. ही विल नॉट थिंक मच अबाउट ऑल दिस, क्योंकि ये जो इनके अंदर डिलेमा था एज टू ही शुड वेदर सेव दिस मैन और ही शुड लेट हिम डाई, ये अब डिलेमा अब ये इनसे बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा है. दिस इज़ नाउ बिकमिंग अ ग्रेटर ट्रबल फॉर हिम. जैसे जैसे वो रिकवर कर रहा है, वो वाइट मैन, ही इज़ हैविंग मोर ट्रबल, ही इज़ हैविंग मोर कन्फ्यूजन. सो ही इज़ इनफैक्ट इनकी जो पूरी सिचुएशन है ये बहुत डेंजरस है. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन ये सबसे बेस्ट इन्होंने डिसीजन अपने हिसाब से लिया है. ओके, सो वो जनरल से बात करके अपने घर आ जाते हैं, एंड ही डिसाइड्स कि वो हाना, दैट इज़ अपनी वाइफ को कुछ भी नहीं बताएंगे. ओके, सो वी विल कंटिन्यू रीडिंग फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 41. He refused to allow anything but reason to be the atmosphere of his mind as he went into the room where the American was in bed. So, Sadao Hoki has already pre-planned in his mind that when he will meet anyone from his family, especially his wife or the prisoner, he will only talk with reason and nothing else, no emotions, nothing. Okay? So, when he went to see that American prisoner, he was in bed. But as he opened the door, to his surprise, he found the young man out of bed and preparing to go into the garden. So when he sees when he goes to his room, वो सोचते हैं कि वो अपने बेड पे लेटा होगा या सो रहा होगा. बट वो जब गेट खोलते हैं तो क्या देखते हैं दैट द प्रिजनर इज वॉकिंग एंड ही इज ट्राइंग टू मूव आउट ऑफ द रूम इनटू द गार्डन. वो गार्डन जा रहा है. What is this? He exclaimed. Who gave you the permission to leave the room? I'm not used to waiting for permission, Tom said gaily. Gosh, I feel pretty good again. But will the muscles on the side always feel stiff? So, when Dr. Hoki sees कि वो बाहर जा रहा है, so वो चौंक जाते हैं और वो पूछते हैं कि आपको बाहर जाने की परमिशन किसने दी है? So what the young prisoner says that I am not used to taking permissions. मतलब वो एक अमेरिकन वॉरियर था. ओके, ही वॉज इन द अमेरिकन नेवी एंड सो वो जिस पोस्ट पे था या वो जिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को हैंडल करता था उसमें ही डिड नॉट हैव टू टेक एनी परमिशंस, ही जस्ट हैड टू एक्ट. सो ही सेज आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू टेकिंग परमिशंस. सो अभी भी उसने किसी से परमिशन नहीं ली. ओके, so but we see that this young prisoner whose name is Tom, he is in a very happy mood. He talks very gaily. So he all of a sudden he asks Dr. Hoki in a very frank manner that why are the muscles so stiff on the side, like where his wound was. He asks why the muscles are so stiff and whether they will be always like that. So what does Sadao say? Is it so? Sadao inquired, surprised. He forgot all else. Now I thought I had provided against that, he murmured. He lifted the edge of the man's shirt and gazed at the healing scar. Massage may do it, he said, if exercise does not. So when he listens that the prisoner is suffering and he is having a certain amount of stiffness in his limbs and in his movements, so he completely forgets that he was like angry with him or he was disgusted with him. He is all concerned once again and he tries to figure out as to why he is having this problem, and he says that if nothing heals, if exercise does not heal his wounds, then it will need a massage. Okay, so he is once again very concerned about him. It won't bother me much, the young man said. His young face was gaunt under the stubbly blonde beard. Say, doctor, I've got something I want to say to you. If I hadn't met a Jap like you, well, I wouldn't be alive today. I know that. Sadao bowed, but he could not speak. Sure, I know that, Tom went on warmly. His big thin hands gripping a chair were white at the knuckles. I guess if all the Japs were like you, there wouldn't have been a war. So we see that Sadao is maintaining a distance with this young man, but this American prisoner, he is realizing that it is Dr. Hoki, it is this doctor who has saved his life, and if not for him he would have died. So this Tom, he is trying to acknowledge the help, the his greatness towards Dr. Hoki, and he is telling him that he is very much thankful to him, and he also says that he has never met such a concern, such a caring, such a kind Japanese like Dr. Hoki. So Sadao does not say anything when he is thanked, and he is just not able to speak. because even though he has a very soft heart, but he is trying to maintain that practicality within himself, so that things are easier for him, so that his plans go accordingly and he gets rid of this man without feeling too bad about it. Okay, but this young man, he goes on to say that if all the Japs were like you, there wouldn't have been a war. So this is a very, very important line in this chapter, said by Tom, who says that if all Japanese people were like Dr. Sadao Hoki, then this war itself would not have taken place. Because war takes place only when people are blind to the realities of human life. When people don't think according to their brains, according to their feelings, if they don't feel things, then they act like machines and they do whatever they are told. So जो ये सिचुएशन है, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल सारे जापानीज लोग डॉक्टर होकी की तरह होते, जो पहले इंसानियत को अपना फ़र्ज समझते, या पूरे अमेरिकन्स ऐसे होते इनकी तरह, या पूरे दुनिया के लोग अगर ऐसे होते, सो देयर वुडंट हैव बीन अ वॉर एवर, कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता. बट ऐसा नहीं है, हर लोग अलग हैं, एंड everyone is not as good as this doctor. So this is what this prisoner is saying, and it is giving us a very deep message about humanity, about the virtues of being a very good human being. Okay, perhaps, Sadao said with difficulty, and now I think you had better go to bed. So Sadao wants to just avoid all these emotional things. He doesn't want to go into the depths or with this man, because he is already trying to get rid of him. He is already kind of feeling guilty because of the plan that he has accepted, the plan of the old general to get this man killed. So he is already feeling a kind of guilt within himself, and he doesn't try to talk much. He doesn't want to talk much. Okay, so he tells him to go to bed. He helped the boy back into bed and then bowed. Good night, he said. So वो उसको good night बोलते हैं और अपने रूम पे चले जाते हैं. Sadao slept badly that night. Time and time again he woke, thinking he heard the rustling of footsteps, the sound of a twig broken, or a stone displaced in the garden, a noise such as men might make who carried a burden. The next morning he made the excuse to go first into the guest room. If the American were gone, then he could simply tell Hana that so the general had directed. But when he opened the door, he saw at once that there on the pillow was the shaggy blonde head. He could hear the peaceful breathing of sleep, and he closed the door again quietly. So वो उसको गुड नाइट बोल के चले जाते हैं, एंड ही इज़ एक्सपेक्टिंग असासिन्स दैट नाइट, कि उनके घर पे वो असासिन्स आएंगे. ओल्ड जनरल विल सेंड द असासिन्स टू किल दिस यंग मैन, एंड वो पूरी रात इसी के इंतज़ार में रहते हैं, एंड ही इज़ ऑलमोस्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट वो आए. जब सदाओ होकी को रात में कुछ आवाज़ें सुनाई देती हैं, पत्थर की, लकड़ियों की, सो उनको क्या लगता है कि वाकई में लोग आए हैं और लोगों ने उसको मार दिया है, एंड दे आर कैरिंग हिज बॉडी, और वो चल रहे हैं तो उन्हीं के पैर की आवाज़ें आ रही हैं. ओके, ही इज़ ऑल इमेजिनिंग दिस इन हिज माइंड. So he is completely ready next morning to go and check, and he is almost sure that the man is no more over there. He has already been killed and get done away with. Okay, so when he goes into his room and he opens the door, what he sees that ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, and the young man, he is very peacefully sleeping on the same bed where he had left him. He's asleep, he told Hana. He is almost well to sleep like that. What shall we do with him? Hana whispered her old refrain. Sadao shook his head. I must decide in a day or two, he promised. So, Sadao क्या सोच रहे थे कि जब वो देखेंगे कि वहाँ प्रिजनर नहीं है, वाकई में वो अब नहीं है वहाँ पे उनके घर पे, सो ही विल टेल हाना दैट ओल्ड जनरल हैड डायरेक्टेड कि वो आदमी वहाँ से चला जाए, अब वो ऑफिशियल्स के पास रहे, गवर्नमेंट के को दे दिया जाए। वो सारे प्लान्स बना चुके थे डॉक्टर होकी। बट व्हेन ही फाइंड्स दैट मैन अगेन, तो हाना क्या देखकर बोलती है कि अब हम इसके साथ क्या करेंगे। ओके, शी इज़ कंसर्न अबाउट दिस सिंस अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम नाउ। तो वो क्या बोलते हैं कि I'll decide in a day or two what is to be done with this man. So what we see that Dr. Hoki has already decided, but अभी उनका काम हुआ नहीं, so he thinks कि maybe 1-2 दिन में ज़रूर हो जाएगा. But certainly he thought the second night must be the night. There rose a wind that night, and he listened to the sounds of bending boughs and whistling partitions. Hannah woke too. Ought we not go and close the sick man's partition? She asked. No, Sadao said. He is able to do it for himself. So दूसरी रात जो होती है वो सोचते हैं कि this might be the night when the assassins will be sent. So उस दिन उस रात क्या होती है, बारिश होती है, और बारिश होती है, हवा होती है, एंड बेसिकली बहुत उस दिन तूफान आता है. सो ये सारी आवाज़ें जब आती हैं तो हाना से कि हमको जाके उसके रूम का जो डोर है, वो प्रिजनर जहाँ सो रहा है उसका जो रूम का जो डोर है, वी शुड गो एंड क्लोज दैट. बट व्हाट डज सदाओ से, दैट ही इज स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ टू डू इट नाउ हिमसेल्फ एंड यू नीड नॉट गो. तो वो हाना को जाने नहीं देते हैं. क्यों नहीं जाने देते हैं? बिकॉज ही फील्स कि असासिन्स होंगे, उनकी आवाज़ें आ रही हैं, एंड सो he doesn't want his wife to go. So he doesn't allow her, and the next morning the American was still there. And when he goes the next morning expecting him to be absent, वो देखते हैं कि फिर से वहाँ पे वो अमेरिकन आराम से सो रहा है. Then the third night, of course, must be the night. The wind changed to quiet rain, and the garden was full of sound of dripping eaves and running springs. Sadao slept a little better, but he woke at the sound of a crash and leaped to his feet. What was that? Hannah cried. The baby woke at her voice and began to wail. I must go and see. But he held her and would not let her move. Sadao, she cried, what is the matter with you? Don't go, he muttered. Don't go. His terror infected her, and she stood breathless, waiting. There was only silence. Together they crept back into the bed, the baby between them. So, second night भी जब वो नहीं मारा जाता है, so Sadao feels that third night में होगा, maybe वो आएंगे and they will definitely kill this man. But third night को आवाज़ जब रात में आती है और बारिश होती है, so अचानक से एक बहुत क्रैशिंग सा साउंड आता है, बहुत तेज़ आवाज़ आती है. तो हाना और सब लोग उठ जाते हैं. सो हाना सेज दैट ये पता नहीं किस चीज़ की आवाज़ थी, लेट मी गो एंड चेक. सो सदाओ होकी होल्ड्स हर, वो उसको बिल्कुल मूव करने नहीं देते हैं, एंड ही सेज कि बिल्कुल नहीं जाना है. सो इवन हाना इज़ कंसर्न्ड दैट व्हाई इज सदाओ एक्टिंग लाइक दिस. वो उसको बिल्कुल मूव करने नहीं दे रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट पिछले 2 रातों में भी ऐसा कुछ हुआ. सो ही डजंट allow her to move. So she is kind of irritated at his behavior. But he still doesn't allow her, and again they sleep back with the child in between them. Yet when he opened the door of the guest room in the morning, there was the young man. He was very gay, and he had already washed and was now on his feet. He had asked for a razor yesterday and had shaved himself, and today there was a faint color in his cheeks. I'm well, he said joyously. So, जब तीसरे दिन वो सुबह उठते हैं और जाकर चेक करते हैं, सो वो क्या देखते हैं दैट वैसे ही वो अमेरिकन प्रिजनर कमरे में आराम से है. सो इवन ऑन थर्ड नाइट नो assassins had come, and he was as he was expecting. So, and this white man, he had already woke up and he had washed himself. फ्रेश हो गया था वो खुद से, उसने सब कुछ खुद से कर लिया था. एंड what he was saying that he is well. There was also a color in his cheeks which showed that he was much better now. Okay. Sadao drew his kimono around his weary body. He could not, he decided suddenly, go through another night. It was not that he cared for this young man's life. No, simply it was not worth the strain. So सदाव होकी जब देखते हैं कि थर्ड नाइट भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, सो ही इज़ काइंड ऑफ टायर्ड और वो परेशान बहुत हो जाते हैं. सो व्हाट ही डिसाइड्स दैट ये जो उनको प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है, ये जो स्ट्रेन हो रहा है, ये जो परेशानी उनके दिमाग पे ऑल द टाइम दिन भर घूम रही है, दैट अब वो जाएगा, तब वो जाएगा, अब मारा जाएगा, तब मारा जाएगा, एंड ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. सो ऑल दिस स्ट्रेन जो उनके दिमाग पे चल रहा है, प्रेशर जो चल रहा है, ही डिसाइड्स दैट इट इज़ नॉट वर्थ इट. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो अब और वेट करेंगे, बिकॉज he doesn't care for this man, and neither does he want to take any more strain upon his mind. You are well, Sadav agreed. He lowered his voice. You are so well that I think if I put my boat on the shore tonight with food and extra clothing in it, you might be able to row to that little island not far from the coast. It is so near the coast that it has not been worth fortifying. So at that moment, जब सदाव परेशान हो जाते हैं एंड ही इज़ डन विथ एवरीथिंग, वो बिल्कुल अपने पेशेंस के लिमिट पे आ गए हैं. सो ही डिसाइड समथिंग, वो एक डिसीजन लेते हैं और वो उस आदमी से क्या बोलते हैं, उस यंग मैन, वाइट मैन से, दैट जी तुम बिल्कुल अच्छे हो गए हो, वेरी वेरी वेल, एंड इतने अच्छे हो गए हो दैट नाउ यू कैन टेक अ बोट and go to an island which is very near the shore, very near the coast. जहाँ पे तुम हमको मिले थे उसके बहुत नज़दीक एक आइलैंड है छोटा सा, और हम वहाँ पे तुमको एक्स्ट्रा फूड और क्लोथिंग दे करके आई सेंड यू ओवर देयर, यू कैन गो ओवर दैट आइलैंड. और वो आइलैंड इतना पास है दैट उसको फोर्टिफाई भी नहीं किया गया, लाइक उसको किसी तरह से प्रोटेक्ट नहीं किया गया. इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली अनफोर्टिफाइड एंड वहाँ बहुत ईजिली कोई भी जा सकता है. नो बडी लिव्स ऑन इट बिकॉज इन स्टॉर्म इट इज़ सबमर्ज्ड. अब वो आइलैंड और कैसा है, उसमें कोई कभी रहता नहीं है, बिकॉज वो बारिश, जब तूफ़ान आती है, बारिश होती है, सो तूफ़ान के मौसम में वो पूरा डूब जाता है, सो वहाँ कोई रहता भी नहीं है. But this is not the season of storm. You could live there until you saw a Korean fishing boat pass by. They passed quite near the island because the water is many fathoms deep there. So, why he is deciding all this? Because वहाँ से अक्सर कोरियन बोट्स आती जाती रहती हैं, मछुआरे आते जाते रहते हैं कोरियन, और उनकी बोट में ये जो अमेरिकन प्रिजनर है, उनकी बोट को ले करके ये वापस से अपने कंट्री जा सकता है, वहाँ ही कैन एस्केप समवेयर wherever he wants to go. Okay, basically out of Japan. So the young man stared at him, slowly comprehending. Do I have to? He asked. So जब ये प्लान सुनता है वो वाइट मैन, तो वो क्या पूछता है कि इज इट नेसेसरी, क्या मुझे जाना ही होगा? So I think so, Sadao said gently. You understand? It is not hidden that you are here. So जब वो उसको बताते हैं और वो पूछता है कि क्या ऐसा ज़रूरी है that I have to leave, तो सदाओ बोलते हैं कि मुझे ये सबसे सही इसलिए लगता है बिकॉज ये बात अब किसी से छुपी हुई नहीं है that you are in my house, that तुम एक अमेरिकन प्रिजनर हो और तुम मेरे घर में छुपे हुए हो. ओके, सो दिस इज what he decides, and he also tells this American prisoner कि आप अभी बिल्कुल खतरे में घिरे हुए हैं, यू आर कम्प्लीटली इन डेंजर, बिकॉज कभी भी कोई भी आकर के आपको पकड़ के लेकर जा सकता है. सो सदाओ इज गिविंग हिम अ काइंड ऑफ वे टू एस्केप टू हिज ओन कंट्री, टू सेव हिज लाइफ रियली, बिकॉज अगर कोई आकर उसको फिर से पकड़ लेगा तो उसकी हालत फिर से बुरी हो जाएगी. ओके, The young man nodded in perfect comprehension. Okay, he said simply. So, जब वो young man को ये बात बताते हैं that किसी से छुपा हुआ नहीं है and everybody like knows that this man is hiding over here, so वो समझ जाता है कि उसके लिए यही better होगा और सदाओ जो है उसके लिए अच्छा सोच रहे हैं, एंड सो वो अग्री कर जाता है. ओके, एंड वो ज़्यादा कुछ फिर डिस्कस नहीं करता है. ही सिंपली अग्रीज दैट ही विल डू एज सदाओ इज टेलिंग हिम. So this is the first line of page number 44 where we stop today, and from here we will continue in the next lecture hopefully, and we have almost covered the chapter, and in the next video lecture we hope to complete this chapter. And so I request you all to read the chapter. In the previous videos we have the text of the chapter, so please go through them, read the chapter, and take down your notes and ponder upon the chapter, upon its themes. And when we complete it, we will discuss some things in detail about the chapter, some questions, and please keep watching the videos and share them with your friends so that more and more people have access to the lectures, and more and more people are prepared for the upcoming classes whenever we meet. Okay, so okay, we will continue from this page in the next video lecture. So until then, thank you, see you.